WMKC in the Honda Cadets. They're keeping the suspense here, but eventually, there we go, lights are on and out already, and away we go. Looks like a decent enough start from Sakai, and it looks to me like Majauskis as well followed through there. Good start for the whole side of the grid in general as they work their way up the hill for the first time. Quick look over the shoulder from Sakai, but he doesn't need to worry too much here because he's got the dream start there. And as I say, Majauskis has got a good start as well in the 51, working their way through Christmas corner. There's a little bit of jostling and someone's round towards the back. That's going to be the number 68, I believe that was, of Nathan Travers. So that's an unfortunate start for him there. He's got a bit of work to make up there. As we look here, battling away between Morgan Hill there, we just saw in the 22. There were championship inspectors, the 11 and the 22 to look out for there. Spencer Broughan and Morgan Hill respectively. Still Sakai Majauskis at the front there, and in third place has got Jarrett CLARK. So really, so that was a good start in there from 6th on the grid. As they come round to finish this first lap then, it's Sakai, Majauskis and Jarrett CLARK, your top three. Come through to start another lap. Look at this pressuring over third place. That's the number 98 there of Jacob GILLMAN up into third place, and further back as well. There is Spencer Broughan working his way through. Just got by there on Harrison ZAMANI, who's dropped quite a way back, unfortunately, in the early phases of this one here. It's now Sakai, Majauskis, and Sakai, Majauskis and GILLMAN, your top three. But that is the 26 of ZAMANI. It's gone even worse, unfortunately, for Harrison ZAMANI there. On that's down at Ozier's, I believe, coming back on towards the back trail. There's another driver involved there as well. We come back to the leaders though. Sakai leading them on to another lap of this Whilton Mill International Circuit. Oh, there's battle going on there between the likes of Oliver BOCOCK and Jenson GRAHAM, I saw in the middle there. Look at this though, GILLMAN now pressuring the back of Aras MAJAUSKIS here. He's going to try to increment, that's bold, and you've got to be careful there. That got a little bit too close for comfort there. Unusual place to try for the overtake, but he felt he had the overspeed there. He's clearly a little unhappy with that one, but he's got the opportunity now. Not too much pressure from behind him as of yet. Jarrett CLARK still in fourth place. There goes the 62 down the inside of Jayden GREGG there at number 7. That is Henry JOSLYN in the 62. That battling has just given a little bit of opportunity, a bit of breathing space now for Ryutaro SAKAI. And once again, GILLMAN here reeling in Majauskis for second place. Increment was an unusual spot to try the overtake. Be careful of the curves here as well. Still a bit damp in places here. We're going to get greasiness on that curve. Here we go, up the hill once again. Is there a run? GILLMAN doesn't look like he's close enough this time. This is where he was strong last time around. They've both actually reeled in Sakai though. I think they have, for the last lap or so, agreed to somewhat work together here. Sakai now going defensive for the lead of the race. Driving well so far. Ryutaro positioning his car very well, just to deter that attempt. And now here's the question, the classic question of sprint racing in karting. What point does this battle for second? And there goes GILLMAN down the inside. He's gone for it. Nice clean move there into the boot section, under braking. Jacob GILLMAN gets himself up into second place. Now set his sights on Ryutaro SAKAI. Checking, that is still Jarrett CLARK in fourth, and in fifth there, Morgan Hill, second in the championship. So at the moment getting some points advantage over Spencer Brouggham. Here we go again up to Christmas corner. Sakai goes defensive, and that's going to compromise his exit. You can see GILLMAN has got a lot closer there. He's going to have a look into Ashby, but also Majauskis is close as well. This is fantastic stuff. Someone there battling away over 5th place there. Didn't quite catch who that was in the background there. We stay with this battle between the top 3. That's wide from Gilman, but he's able to wrestle that one back. That looks to me like the 62 of Henry JOSLYN has got past Whilton Mill. I saw the 62 starting with them. We've got yellows out at the last corner here. Perhaps it's too much, but I've got a potential overtaking spot anyway, not least since they put in the bigger curve on the inside of that final corner. Onto another lap they go. The lead battle here coming up the hill. Again, Sakai will go defensive. As real pressure on them. I think this will be the penultimate lap by the time here. It's slightly shallower line. Sakai though going into Ashley corner. Just Gilman didn't need to think twice about throwing one down the inside. Of course, as he does so, as he goes defensively, he's going to compromise his line. Interesting to see different drivers attempting different lines here through Ozu. You can see some beginning to chance the dry line there. You can see others go for the wider line. Sakai though, come round this final corner, and we go on to what I presume will be the final lap for this one. Still battles away. That's Spencer Broughaam on the back of Jayden GREGG there. You can see. So he will confirm the order. Again, Sakai's going to go defensive. That means that Gilman's going to get a good drive off the corner. And look at this, the 62 is pulled right onto the back of Majauskis here. This is a fantastic drive from Henry JOSLYN. And JOSLYN's going to go down the inside for 3rd place, and Ashby gets the job done. And I don't think Majauskis has a response there, so good driving there from Henry JOSLYN in the 62. It looks to me like Sakai's had a brilliant middle part of this lap. But he's going to come round as Jayden GREGG still going defensive against Spencer Broughaam. Not quite sure how far back Morgan Hill has dropped in this one. But look at this, looking for 2nd place at the last. It's Gilman versus JOSLYN, side by side towards the final corner. Be steady round that curve, and it's done. Brilliant move there by Henry JOSLYN. Ryutaro SAKAI will take the win. JOSLYN in 2nd. You can see the frustration there for Jacob Gilman, losing it at the very last, but still